In order to add the patient's insurance information with their name highlighted, you come along the top, come to the second tab that says Insurance. You'll click that Insurance tab. Now you see the insurance section. You will click the Edit button, and then you will have a drop down of the insurances that you've added to your system. Just highlight the insurance name, put in their ID. If there's a plan name, especially if it's their primary holder, you can enter that as being the primary. Otherwise, if there's a different policy holder, you can enter it there. You can enter if there's any copay amount, as well as additional secondary insurances, tertiary insurances with their ID and information as well. If the insurance is not listed yet, just click New, and then you can put in the name of the insurance, whatever you want to name it, and then assign the payer ID for the insurance. If you want to put in the rest of the insurance address information, you can as well.